Here.
Uy, ano ba yun, Day? Saan tayo pupuntahin, Day?
Kuya Ali's house.
Ngayon.
Yeah. Why are we going there?
Hmm?
Why are we going there?
To eat food.
Yum, yum, yummy.
No. Mayroon tayong ano, Day? Meron tayong meron kaming ano mga titignan na house na near to your school. So you don't need to
What? So we're gonna live in Kuya Ali's house?
no, near to Kuya Ali's house.
Oh.
Titignan natin. Then tell me if you like it, okay?
Okay. Near to Bellevue?
Yeah. Just walk. You can just walk.
I can be a walker.
Oh, no choice.
I can be a walker because in my school.
G.
Oh. I thought
So,
it was A. Mahaba mo kasi.
Uy!
Mo, tumaba. Buti mas break.
Sama namin, tingnan namin yung ano. Sana makuha natin yung ano. Kasi, ano yun sir, 2.5 yung ano niya eh. Kung matawaran sana, 2.5 kasama na sana yung utilities, pwede.
Oh, baka agent ang kausap natin yan, no?
Kaya nga, parang agent eh. Sana, tingnan natin. Pero may-ari niyan, Indiano.
Indian, oh.
So matagal ng bakante pala yan?
Oh?
Matagal ng bakante yung...
Ay, tinatanong mo ko, hindi, kaalis lang nung may truck na naglipad dyan eh. Tapos, sabi namin ba, nagsalis na yata yung mga estudyante eh.
Mga estudyante yung ano dyan?
Tapos, ano, di mo naglagay ng list eh.
Oo.
Basta nakita namin sa House Sigma na list siya, current siya. Kaya wala nakalagay.
Yeah.
Kaalis lang nung siguro mga ano, January o February, umalis, may truck na.
Bago lang talaga.
Bago lang. So, siyempre, tapos may dumating na ano, naglilinis, pinalinis nila yun. Pinaayos nila yun. 2.5 daw, 2.5.
2.5 nakalagay doon sa Sigma eh.
So agent ang mamimit natin ngayon.
Oo. Kasi nagbago-bago siya eh, nung ano, 2. Tapos sabi niya, hindi ano kasi isusunduin pa daw siya sa yung anak niya, alas 3. Sabi niya, pwede naman tayo 1. Okay, 1. Tapos sabi niya, 1:30 na lang. O, 1:30.
Sakto lang.
Ito lang.
Ano rin, brown yung may-ari, yung bang binigay ko sa yung ano, yung binigay kong tao, agent. Siya isang agent sa ano, House Sigma eh.
Oo, Sigma.
Sige.
Let's go, Inday.
Ito babae.
Bye. Oh.
Gusto kong batiin, baka hindi.
close?
Yeah, it's corporate and concilium. Corporate and what you call this? Near STC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is the living room. Kitchen. This is the kitchen. Picturean mo para kay Jane. Yeah, the kitchen.
So it comes with how many bedrooms?
Three, yeah. Oh,
Is it too big for all of you? One bedroom each of you?
ito yung ano. Ay, wala. May ilaw. Can you turn on the light? Washroom. Oh, that's the basement?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not included.
Oh, yeah.
I think this is.
This is your room?
Yeah. I can put my bed here,
Yeah.
and then my closet will be my secret room.
Okay.
Like I can play.
Somebody's renting the basement?
Okay, this will be my room. It has a mirror. And
What?
a mirror.
This is your. Oh, this is the second room.
I want this room.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
The closet.
Eh, picturean mo para masinti. Yeah?
The closet's more bigger, so I can play games here. I can hang my clothes up here and also play games. What's this? I don't know what that is, but I don't know.
What's included? With the rent?
It's probably, usually it's 60-40 or 70-30 for utilities. So utilities won't be included. It's usually 70-30 is how that works. So 70% would be upstairs and then 30% would be downstairs for utilities. So,
So what are those? The hydro, the
Yeah.
Enbridge,
and
what
water.
about the Toronto revenue? It is not included, eh?
Correct.
Yeah.
It's not usually included with houses. Sometimes it is, but usually it's not.
That's every 3 months, right?
Every month. Every
No,
3
the-
months
the
for
Toronto
water.
revenue, the water, sewer. So paano yun? Ayaw niyo pa yan o maghanap niyo ng laundry?
Oh, maghahanap po na, sir. Ay po.
So sabihin mo.
So, thank you very much. Okay. Yeah. Have a good day. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Oh, and I work directly with House Sigma.
Yeah.
So if you see anything on the website or app
Yeah.
and you just put submit request,
Yeah.
it goes straight to me.
Oh.
So it's the easiest route too. If you find something that you like and just press that,
Yeah.
it will just go to me and then we can just book showings that way too.
Okay.
Okay?
Say. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Hirap na pag walang sasabi mo lang.
So, nakita na namin mga tara. Yeah, pagpag na. Ayan, no?
Yan, ang ganda pa naman. Yeah.
Ano masabi ni Jane? Okay lang yung, ano?
Hindi.
Ayaw yung sharing. Day, huwag kang apak-apak dyan eh. Napak-apakan mo pa eh.
Sharing tayo.
Pinapaanda rin namin.
Ayun, oh. Mandaran, sir. Maganda pa eh.
Hindi, ito yung tatapon ko sana. Kabuti hindi tinapon, eh, kinarnap yung isa. Eh, di, ito na lang muna.
Ayan.
ako insurance. Pinaayos ko pa lang.
Ang ganda na.
Yung tambutso, inaayos yun. Tapos, baka yung this week, number na.
Andar na yan. Ang ganda pa eh. Something yung mga andar. Hirap ng ano nung sasakyan ngayon.
Siyempre, compare mo naman sa Grand. Mas maganda yun. Eh, kaya nga tatapon ko sana. Buti, di pa tinapon.
Oo. Kaya nga, no? Kung magagamit pa naman pala, di biruin mo. Para ano na.
Pag binakal to, mga ano lang to,
Magkano?
100, 150. Toto nila, pagkikilo nila.
Oh, grabe, no?
Pero, wala eh. Yan na muna.
Oo, at least wala ka nung...
Nagbabantay pa yung mga mag-anak ko.
Sigurado, sir. Snow na naman. So, dito kami sa ano ni Sir Ali. Tambay muna kami rito. Kaya na lang pa. Sir, tamat. Okay.
Text ka lang kung kailangan pupuntahan nyo.
Oo, pagka nag-message yung ano, nag-message yung si White. Sir, ingat. Salamat. Yeah.
My heaven.
Oh, bye, Ben. Sir. Ito na, bilisan mo. Open na yung swimming pool, Inday. Open na yung swimming pool. Ayan mga par, dito na kami sa bahay.
The swimming pool.
Tumambay pa kami kina Sir Ali.
The swimming pool is open right now.
Yeah.
So can we go tomorrow?
Yeah. Sir Ali, mga par.
I'm excited.
So, kinatid niya kami rito. So, maraming ha?
Ayun ba yung guard?
Oh, yan yun. Maraming salamat mga par. No? Siguro dito ko muna tatapusin ang aking vlog. To God be all the glory. We will see you in the next one. Bye.